I want to make a truck. Yeah, we need truck simulator in Hyrule. Oh, look, wheels. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, hold on. I'm distracted now. How do I rotate? Oh yeah. Oh, that's not correct. It's like that. Okay, we got one. I want to make a truck. Beep this. I mean, the story's good too, but Truck-kun I must isekai the people of Hyrule. Oh, no, that's wrong. We must isekai the people of Hyrule. Okay, that's one. We need another one. No, attached to the wood, not the wheel. Attached to the wood, not the wheel. No! No, I want to attach to the... No, not that. No! Why?
One eternity later.
It's a little, lopsided, but it's okay. It'll be fine.
Bye, have a great time.
Wait. Uh-oh. Hey! Leave my truck alone! Beep you! Yeah. Don't mess with me. You'll get the raw. Okay, back to Truck-kun. Yeah! Truck-kun! Version 1! Oh. Yeah! I will constantly improve Truck-kun. I will keep Truck-kun with me forever. Oh wait, Truck-kun, don't go anywhere, okay? I swear, if you disappear, I will cry. Okay, there we go. Okay, you stay. I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back, Truck-kun. I'll be back. Are you still there? Are you still there, Truck-kun? Please? No! Truck-kun! Where did you go? Who stole Truck-kun? Truck-kun would never leave me. You were out here the entire time. Who took Truck-kun? Onion to the eye hurts so bad. You tell me. Oh, what's happened? Truck-kun just wanted to go out on the world and isekai people. I had to let Truck-kun live Truck-kun's own life. I am sure Truck-kun is out there somewhere isekaiing the people of Hyrule. He's free now to do whatever he wants, I guess. He had to grow up sometime.